If OneNote is showing error 0X80072Efd, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error is often caused by a corrupted DNS cache, broken network sockets, or the wrong internet settings in Windows, which can stop OneNote and other Office apps from connecting to Microsoft services correctly. So if you've been stuck and OneNote refuses to sync, sign in, or load cloud content, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's start with the first fix. We're going to clear the DNS cache and reset the Windows networking stack. This helps remove old or corrupted network data that may be sending OneNote's requests to the wrong place. To do this, type CEMD into the Windows search bar. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because these commands need admin access to work properly. Once the command prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the local DNS cache on your computer. After that, type nitish Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network sockets, which can fix issues caused by damaged network configurations or communication problems between apps and the internet. After both commands have finished, restart your computer. Don't skip this step because the socket reset only fully applies after a reboot. Once your PC starts back up, test OneNote again. If the error is still there, move on to the next fix. Now we're going to check your internet security settings because outdated SSL and TLS settings can also cause this error. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type rnpl.cpl and click OK. This opens Internet Properties, which is where we can adjust the advanced security options used by Windows and Office apps. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Advanced tab, then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list. Look for the boxes labeled TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3. Make sure both of these are checked. These security protocols help your system connect safely to modern Microsoft services, and if they're disabled, OneNote may fail to connect properly. After checking those boxes, click Apply, then click OK. This saves the changes and makes sure the new settings are active. Now try opening OneNote again to see if the issue is fixed. If you're still seeing error 0X80072Efd, the last thing we'll do is check your proxy and automatic detection settings. Sometimes a bad proxy configuration can block Office apps from reaching Microsoft servers. To do this, press Windows key and R again, type in etccpl.cpl and click OK once more. This time, switch to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. In the LAN Settings window, look for the option that says Use a proxy server for your LAN. If that box is checked, uncheck it. Then check the box that says Automatically Detect Settings. This lets Windows handle the connection more reliably and removes unnecessary proxy interference. Once that's done, click OK, then click Apply and close out of the windows. After that, restart OneNote and test your connection again. In many cases, this final step clears the error and gets everything working normally again. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix OneNote error 0X80072Efd, first flush the DNS cache and reset Winsock, then enable TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3, and finally disable any proxy server while turning on automatic detection. These 3 steps solve most network-related OneNote connection problems. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes. And if you want, I can also help you with more OneNote errors, Office sync problems, or Windows network issues in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.